What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? So I'm back. I'm sorry. Did you guys miss me? Because I missed you. Work's been hectic, been wicked tired, but now I'm a little energetic today. Why are we energetic today? I got something here for you. I have not just one, but two, three cases. 3 cases of M2s, man. Check these things out. It's a box. Check out how cool this box is. All right, cool. So what do we got here? So we got the Detroit Muscle Release 78. It's 6 pieces. Let's get into it. I'm very excited. Very excited. I gotta find my knife. Where'd it go? Here we go. Found it. All right, so we're looking for a chase, obviously, but this has some really cool cars inside them. And I bought 2 of the same cases because I feel like this one's kind of popular. Why? I will show you in a minute. Once we break this thing open, look at that, man. Look how friggin' cool that is. Let's shed some light on the situation. Yeah. Shed some light on the situation. All right. What we got here is, we got 6 of these. Does it come with a sleeve? Maybe it does. I don't know. Does it come with a sleeve? You know what? I think it does. Hold on a minute. So I pulled them out, look like that, but we do have a sleeve. So this is pretty friggin' cool, man. Check this out. We got our sleeve. So let's dive right into it. Now, immediately off the bat, I can tell you there's no chase. But let's check out and find out what we do have. Now, I have 2 of the same cases. I got one that's different. Let's dive into it. What we got here is the 1970 Mustang Boss 302, looking pretty sweet in that 70s yellow color. Look how sweet this car is. This is one of my favorite Mustangs, by the way. Another crowd control Mustang, but this is a crowd pleaser and not a crowd bruiser. Ooh, oh no. That'll buff out. Yeah. I don't know. Looks like a little scratch, but you know what? That's fine. I'll keep it. Looking really good. So, looking very, very good. So, I like it. I'm going to keep it. Let's put that one right there in the sleeve so we know where it is. Then we have the 1958 Plymouth Belvedere. Look at that thing. That thing looks nice and comfortable. Looks nice and cushy for your tushy. It's got class for your... It is looking sweet. These big fender cars are some of my favorite from the 1950s, man. And this is looking wicked, wicked sweet in its white and green top. We got the chrome wheels, hubcaps. We got white wall tires. It's looking wicked nice. I like it. Anyways, we got a 1941 Willys Coupe. This is looking sweet. I don't have my comrade Ned. He's going to love this. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold that thought. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Ned. Ned, see this car right here? You like it? You want to keep it? All right. Well, I guess we're going to keep it just for Ned. This is a 1941 Willys Coupe, looking wicked sweet in purple and orange, or is it blue? No, for the sake of it, let's just say it's blue. It is definitely blue. But look at this, man. This is a wicked, wicked cool car. And I really like these Willys Coupes. Oh, this one's got the split window on the back. It's looking wicked sweet, guy. I like it. Ned's going to keep it. Moving on. So let's see if we can get Ned in the background here, because Ned loves these cars. Ned loves anything diecast, by the way. My personal favorite, and this one is for me, because I'm keeping it, is a 1992 Chevy C1500 SS 454. This is not a slouch whatsoever. It's got that big block, and look at that. We got pink headlights. Huh. See if the other one's got them. Looking wicked good. We got a roll pan bumper. Got some 5-spoke wheels. Looking wicked sweet in that pink and black. It's kind of slammed down to the ground, but not really. So our knees are fine, thank you very much. We've got that nice white interior, and it is looking sweet, guy. I love these Chevy pickup trucks. I really do. M2 did a wicked banger job on this thing. So let's move on. What else we got? Now, I already have these two, so, and that's fine. I actually did this on purpose. So, Kevin, I've got your second Sunny Days van. It's yours, brother. It's going inside your box, but let's check it out. Now, if you didn't see the first video I did of this, go check it out, please. This is a wicked, wicked sweet 1971 Chevy van G10. We got the Sunny Days because we like to smoke. I don't like to smoke pot, but I know some people that do, and that's all right. So they get all smoked up in their van. They go outside and stare at the sun. It's called a Sunny Days. Check this thing out. It's a wicked cool car. So we're going to put that one in the sleeve. We've got a 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi. And you guys know how I feel about this car. I love that color because it's the same color as my Dodge Ram. Wicked, wicked sweet, wicked nice casting. So we didn't find a chase in this one. So let's see if we can find a chase in the other one. Ned's down, I'm down, are you down? Let's go. Get Ned out of the way here. Ned, yeah buddy, we got all those cars. Cool, cool. We've got a Freedom knife here. Let's dive right into it. So that was the Detroit Muscle. Let's go after another one. I completely forgot that I had ordered the third case, which I'm dying to find out. Like, you guys ever just like order something, don't know what it was? Well, I'm having one of those days. So, can we get another chase? And this time I did it right. Bam. Oh, snap, son. Do you see what I see? No friggin' way. That just made my day. Holy shnikes. We got a chase. That is a chase. You know, oh, it's at the bottom. Wow. That was pretty cool. I had a sneaky feeling there was a chase, and no, I did not check this out before I opened it. Totally sealed. We got a chase, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the Chase Hunter here. Now I gotta keep him. I gotta keep him now. Look at that. We got the nice gold bumper to the silver bumper. We've got those gold wheels to the silver wheels. We've got that, oh, the interior is also gold. I'm not sure if anyone can see that, but it is. We've got the front here. That is gold versus the silver. Ladies and gentlemen, we found a chase. So happy that we could have been a part of it. Thank you guys very much. Game over, son. Found a chase. What a day. What a day. And I had a pretty good day today. I mean, besides almost getting killed on the roadways of Connecticut and making it through all the rain. And what else happened today? You know what? Doesn't even matter. It's been a wicked good day. So I'm very happy. We got the chase. We've got the regular. I'm good. It's game over, son. I'm keeping both of them. Good luck. Same thing. We've got the Belvedere. We've got SS 454. Put those to the side. Come on. Now, I don't think there's any chases besides the boss. Got a Sunny Days van again. We've got a Willys Coupe. We've got a Dodge Daytona again. So that's pretty cool. You know what? I'm going to put all this stuff back just the way it was, not the way it is. And we are looking pretty friggin' sweet today. I'm having a blast. How about you guys? You guys aren't having fun? You're doing it wrong. Okay, let me set those up. Let me get those in here first before I post them. So, do you think lightning strikes twice? Do you think lightning strikes twice? This is the Authentics Release 85 6-piece case. Let's get into it, son. I don't know. I don't know if I'm that lucky where I can find two chases today. You know what I like about Greenlight, though, is that when you get a case, they know right off the bat, you're going to take a razor blade to it, and look what they did here. They put this piece of cardboard right here so you don't scratch up the surface. Now, I know what's in this one. So, shed some light in the situation. So right off the bat, we already know we've got a VW. Look at this thing. It looks like it was dragged through the mud, but no, sir. Nuh-uh. This is some nice patina overload. And we've got another lovely little scratch right in the case, and that's okay. That's okay. I like it. Not the scratch, but I like the bus. 1958 VW Microbus 15 window USA model. Look at this thing. This thing is saying, you know what? I may be old, but I am still cool. And I am wicked, wicked sweet. Look at that thing. This thing is wicked cool. Think small. Yeah, right. Not this thing. This thing's a beast. This thing is wicked friggin' sweet. I like it. I might keep it. Moving on. Ooh, what do we got? This is a wicked cool car. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. So, what we got here is a 1932 Ford Tudor sedan. Tudor sedan. Okay, awesome. Wicked nice. I like it. I like it. It's got the nice patina on it. It's a nice brown. It's definitely a hot rod. Pretty much the old school ways is where you got the fenders, cut them off, man. Look at that. Look at the, do you know how much room is in back of these things? Like, if they didn't chop the top off, this thing's quite spacious on this inside. They knew exactly what they were doing when they made this car. It's a wicked nice car. You got the motor, and it just looks cool. It just looks cool. I don't care who you are. This thing looks cool. It's not ugly. It's cool. Now, moving on. One of my favorite cars right here. Oh, we got the shiny paint. So shiny. We like a shiny paint. Oh, we love the shiny paint. We love the shiny paint. Look at this. 1959 Cadillac Series 62. Looking brand new. Maybe not in 1962, but this thing is looking pretty sweet. Look at those big fender flares. This thing is ready to rock night on the town. Go bowling with the girls. Go gambling with the guys. This thing could hide about 5, maybe 6 bodies. Fat guys, that's okay. We got the white top. We've got the metallic blue paint, and we are ready to roll. We are ready to go to Las Vegas, baby, and then head out to Reno to finish off our gambling habit. But we don't gamble away the car because we need it, and I love it. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Moving on. We got some more tissue paper. Check out this tissue paper, guys. Authentic M2 tissue paper. Well, I mean, that's what you get. It's tissue paper, right? Ned, tissue paper. Check this thing out. Okay, maybe not one of my favorites. 1976 Ford Bronco. Why I say it's not one of my favorites? I thought this was the brand new one. Nope, not the brand new one. So, this thing is looking wicked sweet. Take it off-road, take it to the beach. Just don't take it off the road. It's looking wicked sweet. We got that spare tire. In case we got a flat tire, we can fix it. It's looking wicked good. Look at those tires, man. Look at those tires. This thing means business. Those tires are friggin' huge. We got the drop top, no top, his top, your top, don't matter. We don't have one. Looking wicked nice. I like the color green. Moving on. Uh-oh. Ho, ho, ho. You Chevy guys are going to love this one in Chelmsford. 1973 Chevy Cheyenne Super 20. What happened to the Super 10? Nah, not today. We got 20 4x4. Look at those tires. Look at those tires. This thing's ready to rock. It's so big it doesn't even fit inside the case. Look at it. It's like, I'm just big, dude. I'm a big guy, small case, whatever. I'm your ace in the hole. Check this thing out. We got the nice Chevrolet logo on the back. 1973 right there on the license plate. We got the wood grain side. Also, the chase would have been the Bronco. So we got 750 chases worldwide, 8,250 regulars. So this is 1 out of 8,250 and 1 out of 750. Actually, no, it's not a chase. It's not 1 out of 750. Moving on, another cool car, which, uh-oh. Oh no, someone call M2. The door's open. We can fix that. Look, fixed. I don't want to hear it, everybody. I don't want to hear it. Not knock M2. Don't do it. Not today. Not on my channel. No way, Jose. Not in my store. Check this thing out. 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Look at that nice friggin' hood scoop. We got cowl induction. Actually, that's not cowl induction. No, that's forced induction. I don't know. It's there, buddy. Look, that engine is breathing. It's breathing good. It's breathing a whole lot. I can't get this thing to focus. We got the black top. We've got the yellow paint job. We've got no two-tone. And we've got these baller wheels. I wouldn't say they're baller, but I think they're awfully stellar. This thing was meant to go in one direction and one direction only. That's straight, baby. This thing does not take corners, and it will not. We've got the shaved trunk lid, which is wicked nice touch. Nice wheels, nice color, nice interior, nice friggin' two-tone roof, black and yellow. I think that works, right? Does it work? I don't know. You tell me. Looking wicked good. Everything's new. That is so cool. I love this thing. This thing is wicked sweet. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have time for you today. I'm sorry. It's so sad. You guys just got me back. We made it to the end of the week, and now I gotta go. Oh, what a world. I'm just kidding. I hope everyone has a nice friggin' day. Enjoy the weekend. Collect what you like. And if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right and have the time of your life. Later, taters. I'm going to go.